Thailand. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Marquez got away well, as did Cal Crutchlow. Valentino Rossi will go through in second. Crutchlow's up to third. Dovizioso then down to fourth.
Dovizioso pounces off the inside of Cal Crutchlow though. Dovizioso quickly recovers that place he lost off the front row.
Valentino Rossi in the slipstream here of Marc Marquez.
Straight away when they need to. Oh, Valentino Rossi moves out the slipstream. Valentino Rossi leads the Thai Grand Prix. Dovizioso's got the inside line. He's pouncing on Marc Marquez. Rossi just lost all drive, a mistake on the gas. He lost the rear coming out of the first corner.
Onto the start-finish straight, we're on board with Vinales. He's trying to get past Cal Crutchlow.
Yeah.
He's got a good opportunity here. He's got to get... And Pedrosa's got him as well. Cal Crutchlow struggling a bit here. Danny Pedrosa smells a podium.
Oh, he's down, Steve, he's down, sorry.
Oh,
Danny Pedrosa's crashed and turned number 5. Vinales strikes on the inside of Valentino Rossi. Maverick Vinales then now leads the Yamaha charge. It is on the inside of Dovizioso. He runs in hot mode at turn number 3. Dovizioso sweeps straight back through. Marquez strikes. He's picked Dovizioso's pocket big style there. Dovizioso though decides to fight straight back. This is classic Marquez versus Dovizioso. Marquez will try and attack in the braking zone for turn number 12. Can he get up the inside of Dovizioso? Marquez has got it up the inside of the comeback though. Dovizioso swings back on through. Marc Marquez then, has he made his crucial move? He's now right in front of the Honda grandstand. He's right in front of his own 93 grandstand. They go absolutely crazy. Can Dovizioso pounds at the final corner? He's got the inside line. Here comes Andrea Dovizioso. He retaliates brilliantly. Dovizioso will lead coming on to the final lap here in Buriram.
Now we go into turn 5. Is he going to have a go? Yes, he is. And that's brilliantly done by Marc Marquez. But he goes wide. Dovizioso comes back through. He's got the inside line again, but he closes the door on him.
Dovizioso's come through.
He's on the inside, but they both go wide. Marquez on the cutback. He's going to do it. It's a return of the victory for Marquez, and he does to Dovizioso what Dovizioso did to him.